Hi, in this video I will show you how to refund payment on the PayPal. So the process is pretty simple. If someone scammed you or you order some product, you will not receive a right product or something else issue. So how you can do this, you can refund your payment through the PayPal. So the process is simply you have to follow this. So first of all you have to open your browser and go to the PayPal and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see screen like this. After that you will see multiple options here. Simply you can click on the activity or you have to click on the more and scroll down and go to the resolution center. From here, now here you will see report a problem. Tap on it and here you will see your all transaction. Moreover, you will see a transaction you made for the purchasing product or sending someone. You will see that you have to select the payment. Remember that the payment procedure within the 180 days. If your payment procedure is more than 180 days, then PayPal will not allow to claim that. So after that you have to select the payment if it's in the date of the PayPal, and after that you have to report a issue with that transaction. PayPal will verify you and refund you your amount if you are right. So this is the procedure you can refund amount on the PayPal. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.